CCNP Enterprise 300-410 ENARSI exam questions contain real exhibit questions and answers to practice so you can master all the exam content and skills to pass your Cisco 300-410 exam successfully. 1. While troubleshooting connectivity issues to a router, these details are noticed. Standard pings to all router interfaces, including loopbacks, are successful. Data traffic is unaffected. SNMP connectivity is intermittent. SSH is either slow or disconnects frequently. Which command must be configured first to troubleshoot this issue? A. Show policy map control plane. B. Show policy map. C. Show interface, ink drop. D. Show IP route. 2. Which protocol is used in a DMVPN network to map physical IP addresses to logical IP addresses? A. BGP. B. LLDP. Circa EIGRP. D. NHRP. 3. Which configuration adds an IPv4 interface to an OSPF-v3 process in OSPF-v3 address family configuration? A. Router OSPF-31 address family IPv4. B. Router, config router, hash OSPF-v31 IPv4 area 0. C. Router, config if, hash OSPF-v31 IPv4 area 0. D. Router OSPF-v31 address family IPv4 unicast. 4. Which two statements about redistributing EIGRP into OSPF are true? Choose 2. A. The redistributed EIGRP routes appear as Type 3 LSAs in the OSPF database. B. The redistributed EIGRP routes appear as Type 5 LSAs in the OSPF database. C. The administrative distance of the redistributed routes is 170. D. The redistributed EIGRP routes appear as OSPF external Type 1. E. The redistributed EIGRP routes is placed into an OSPF area whose area ID matches the EIGRP autonomous system number. F. The redistributed EIGRP routes appear as OSPF external Type 2 routes in the routing table. 5. Which statement about route distinguishers in an MPLS network is true? A. Route distinguishers allow multiple instances of a routing table to coexist within the edge router. B. Route distinguishers are used for label bindings. C. Route distinguishers make a unique VPN v4 address across the MPLS network. D. Route distinguishers define which prefixes are imported and exported on the edge router. 6. A network administrator added a new spoke site with dynamic IP on the DMVPN network. Which configuration command passes traffic on the DMVPN tunnel from the spoke router? A. IP NHRP registration ignore. B. IP NHRP registration no registration. C. IP NHRP registration dynamic. D. IP NHRP registration no unique. 7. An engineer is configuring a network and needs packets to be forwarded to an interface for any destination address that is not in the routing table. What should be configured to accomplish this task? A. Set IP next hop. B. Set IP default next hop. C. Set IP next hop recursive. D. Set IP next hop verify availability. 8. Which protocol does MPLS use to support traffic engineering? A. Tag Distribution Protocol, TDP. B. Resource Reservation Protocol, RSVP. C. Border Gateway Protocol, BGP. D. Label Distribution Protocol, LDP. 9. An engineer must configure a Cisco router to initiate secure connections from the router to other devices in the network but kept failing. Which two actions resolve the issue? Choose 2. A. Configure a source port for the SSH connection to initiate. B. Configure a TACAX Plus server and enable it. C. Configure transport input SSH command on the console. D. Configure a domain name. E. Configure a crypto key to be generated. 10. Which two components are required for MPLS Layer 3 VPN configuration? Choose 2. A. Use pseudowire for Layer 2 routes. B. Use MPBGP for customer routes. C. Use OSPF between PE and CE. D. Use a unique road per customer VRF. E. Use LDP for customer routes.